Make a great choice today with the 2011 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, running boards. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, dual airbags, vanity mirrors, sync. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.